From Dubai to Texas, police departments are deploying high-performance supercars onto the streets. Some law enforcement agencies are even repurposing confiscated felony vehicles, upgrading them, and putting them to practical use. Imagine a monstrous 750 horsepower machine so rare that only 7 people in the world own one, or a lightning-fast police vehicle capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. These are the fastest police cars of 2024. And trust me, the #1 spot will leave you speechless. But why do law enforcement officers need such extreme speed and power in the first place? Well, it's about far more than just looking impressive. As criminals gain access to increasingly powerful and high-speed vehicles, police forces must keep pace to ensure public safety. In the past, a Ford Crown Victoria with a V8 engine was considered a top-tier patrol car, but times have changed dramatically. To combat high-speed crime and dangerous pursuits, modern law enforcement now relies on cutting-edge machines that push the limits of speed, technology, and performance. What was once considered the pinnacle of police pursuit vehicles would now struggle to keep up with an average family sedan. Law enforcement has come a long way in upgrading its fleet to match the ever-evolving automotive landscape. Now, before we jump into our list, we want to give our viewers a quick heads up. Today, we're shaking things up a bit. For the first 9 vehicles, we won't be listing them in any specific order, nor will we be revealing their top speeds just yet. Instead, we're saving all of that excitement for the grand finale, where we'll line them up side by side and see how they truly compare. As for the #1 spot, well, let's just say this police vehicle is in a league of its own. It's an absolute monster when it comes to speed, and it will undoubtedly leave you stunned. If you're up for a bit of fun, try pausing the video right before we unveil their rankings and drop your predictions in the comment section. Let's see who gets it right. #1. Lamborghini Huracan. When you think of Italy, a few things probably come to mind. Delicious pasta, world-famous pizza, and of course, the sight of a Lamborghini decked out in police livery. The Italian police force has been using Lamborghinis since 2009 when they first acquired a Gallardo. However, today's focus is on its successor, the incredible Lamborghini Huracan. And make no mistake, this isn't just for show. In 2020, one of these police-issued Huracans made global headlines after it was used to transport a donor kidney an astonishing 303 miles in just 2 hours, proving that speed can sometimes be a lifesaver. Under the hood, the Huracan boasts a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, producing anywhere between 602 and 631 horsepower, depending on the specific model. But beyond just raw power, one thing that truly sets the Huracan apart is its unmistakable sound. The roar of that V10 engine is enough to send chills down your spine, and to make any would-be speeder think twice before trying to outrun it. #2. Aston Martin 177Q Series. Now, we're off to Dubai, a city that embodies luxury, extravagance, and cutting-edge innovation. So, it's no surprise that their police force boasts a fleet of high-performance supercars that would leave even the most devoted car enthusiasts envious. Among their most exclusive choices? The ultra-rare Aston Martin 177Q Series. Only 7 of these stunning machines were ever built, and Dubai's police force managed to secure one for themselves. This Q Series edition takes the already rare 177 and enhances it with unique details, including a striking red front lip, bold red brake calipers, and an opulent red leather interior. But this car isn't just about aesthetics. It has the power to back it up. Under the hood lies a monstrous 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, unleashing an impressive 750 horsepower. However, despite its incredible performance capabilities, don't expect to see this masterpiece engaging in high-speed pursuits. Given its extreme rarity and staggering value, the Dubai Police 177 is primarily used for ceremonial appearances and prestigious events rather than chasing down criminals. At its core, this vehicle serves less as a tool for law enforcement and more as a statement, a symbol of the sophistication, prestige, and technological prowess that defines the Dubai Police Force. Number 3. Lykan Hypersport. Just when you thought we were done with the UAE, think again. We're heading back, but this time to Abu Dhabi. The Abu Dhabi Police Force is known for its impressive lineup of high-performance vehicles, but its undisputed crown jewel is the Lykan Hypersport. Now, when we talk about exclusivity, we truly mean it. W Motors, the Emirati company responsible for this engineering marvel, produced only 7 units of the Lykan Hypersport worldwide. This ultra-rare supercar made its debut in Abu Dhabi's police fleet back in 2019, sporting the force's distinctive red and white livery. But this car isn't just about looks. It packs some serious power under the hood. Equipped with a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, it unleashes a staggering 750 horsepower. With that kind of output, this beast can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest police vehicles on the planet. Number 4. Nissan GT-R. Kicking things off with none other than Godzilla itself, the legendary Nissan GT-R. In 2018, the Tochigi Prefecture Police Department received an incredible gift from Nissan, and for good reason. Why Tochigi, you ask? Well, that's the birthplace of the GT-R. For over a decade, this high-performance machine has been Japan's automotive icon. Beneath the hood lies a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, unleashing an impressive 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque. However, the true brilliance of the GT-R isn't just in raw power. It's in its cutting-edge all-wheel drive system. This sophisticated technology dynamically adjusts torque distribution between the front and rear axles, allowing it to channel nearly all power to the rear wheels for an exhilarating rear-wheel drive experience. But when extra traction is needed, up to 50% of the power can be seamlessly redirected to the front wheels, ensuring maximum grip and razor-sharp control. It's no exaggeration to say this car clings to the road like its tires are coated in superglue. Number 5. Lexus LC500. Now, we're heading back to Japan for our next entry, but this time, we're stepping things up in the luxury department with the Lexus LC500. Don't be fooled by its premium badge. This car isn't just about style and comfort. It packs some serious performance under the hood. Beneath that long, sculpted bonnet lies a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, an old-school powerhouse that delivers 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM. But what truly sets this engine apart is how it delivers its power. It's as smooth as silk, yet accompanied by a deep, throaty growl that can send shivers down your spine. The LC500 serves as a patrol car for traffic enforcement, ensuring lawbreakers don't get too far. Whether it's keeping reckless drivers in check or pursuing fleeing suspects, you can bet that high-speed chases in Japan just got a lot more intense with this sleek machine in the mix. Before we continue with the rest of the video, we'd love to ask for a small favor. If you've been enjoying the content so far, could you take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel? Believe it or not, over 98% of our viewers watch our videos without subscribing. It costs absolutely nothing, but makes a huge difference in helping us grow our small channel. So, thank you. We truly appreciate it. Now, let's get back to the action. Number 6. Spyker C8 Spider. The Dutch police have a hidden gem in their arsenal, and it comes in the form of the Spyker C8 Spider. Now, if you're not too familiar with Spyker, don't worry, you're not alone. This Dutch automaker has been around for over a century, but it has always remained somewhat of a niche brand. However, when it comes to performance, the C8 Spider is anything but niche. This handcrafted masterpiece is powered by a 4.2-liter V8 engine, churning out nearly 400 horsepower. While that figure might seem modest compared to some of the high-powered supercars on our list, don't let it fool you. The C8 Spider has one key advantage: its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 3,000 pounds, this car delivers an exceptional power-to-weight ratio, allowing it to achieve serious performance on the road. With its unique styling, rich heritage, and impressive speed, the Dutch police force has a truly special vehicle. Number 7. Lamborghini Urus. For our final feature before the big unveiling, we're making our way to Qatar. Their police force has recently introduced a Lamborghini Urus to their fleet, and it's truly a game-changer. Lamborghini describes it as a super sport utility vehicle, and, honestly, they're not exaggerating. Under the hood lies a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. What's truly remarkable, though, is how this vehicle performs. Despite tipping the scales at over 4,800 pounds, the Urus can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. With its elevated ride height and roomy interior, it's surprisingly practical for police duties. Who would have ever imagined we'd be saying that about a Lamborghini? Lee at their disposal. Number 8. Porsche 911. In Austria, law enforcement shares a unique connection with Porsche. Back in 2017, the Austrian Federal Ministry of the Interior secured quite the deal: a fully outfitted Porsche 911 Carrera, custom-built for police duty. And this wasn't just a standard 911 with a set of flashing lights hastily attached. No, this high-performance machine came fully equipped with an advanced suite of police technology, making it more than ready for highway patrol operations. Under the rear hood sits a powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, delivering an impressive 365 horsepower and 444 pound-feet of torque directly to the rear wheels. Now, while a Porsche 911 is undeniably an iconic sports car, some might wonder if it's actually practical for law enforcement purposes. The answer? Absolutely. With its compact frame and razor-sharp handling, this Porsche is perfectly suited for maneuvering through Austria's narrow city streets and weaving effortlessly through the tight, winding mountain roads. So, when you really think about it, having a 911 in the police fleet isn't just cool. It's actually a logical choice. And now the ranking reveal that you have all been waiting for, but how do you think they rank up against each other? Here is the list again. Pause the video and leave your educated guess down in the comments section. And now here is the lineup of our contenders and how they stack up in terms of top speed. So what is the fastest police car in the world? Well, it's a car that is so fast, so extreme, that it needed its own special mention: the Bugatti Veyron of the Dubai Police Force. This technological marvel is powered by an 8.0-liter quad, turbocharged W6 engine, that is, 2 V8s together with 4 turbo trapped on. The result? A mind-bending 1,200 horsepower. All that power translates to some insane performance figures. The Veyron can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds, and its top speed is a jaw-dropping 253 miles per hour. Now, before you get paranoid over a potential high-speed chase through Dubai, just know this. The Veyron is not used for actual police work. Like many of Dubai's supercar police vehicles, it is primarily being used for public relations. But if it ever needed to chase down a speeder, there's not much out there that could outrun it. So the next time that you're thinking about putting the pedal down, just remember, the cops might have more horsepower than you think. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, drive safe.